Hey, it's LeeAnn and Jeff, Realty One Group, going to show you another home for Inspirada TV.
We are out at 2807 Donatella Manor. It's out towards the back of Inspirada, and the cool thing is it backs to a green space. And this is the fourth home of the day that we have filmed that all back to an amazing place. Right,
Today
so
is View Day.
Yes, these were built by KB. Oh, I like this floor plan with that 45-degree angle.
This is nice.
Like Judy and Nick's.
Yeah, it does kind of look like Judy and Nick's.
Yeah.
Not that anybody else knows who that is.
But if you do know,
if you know them, you love them.
You know what? This is okay. Well, anyhow, plantation shutters. I really like how large this island is.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Conducting business over here.
So let me open this.
Oh yeah. Wow, this is really pretty. Look how pretty this is.
And I do like this built-in wood trim they did here. It looked really cute with the TV there. Yeah, this is really a comfortable floor plan. And there aren't many of these out in Inspirada. Again, our channel has more than 500 videos, so we have filmed our share of homes in Inspirada.
Yeah, and this one actually was built in 2019. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, we both said wow at the same
We did.
time. Yeah, this is a terrific backyard.
Fully finished, nothing to do, artificial grass.
Definitely a move-in ready situation.
Yeah, so you have that one of the trails that go through back here. Skylark Trail up there. And as you can see, we're towards the back of Inspirada and Democracy. And so out there is Sloan Canyon. So there's some trails out there, a 1.5 mile hike. You can see a bunch of petroglyphs. It's all protected land back there.
Super nice.
And then
Beautiful.
Also keep in mind in Inspirada, there are so many parks throughout Inspirada, 7 of them. 8 if you want to count Overlook.
Overlook Park?
Where you park after you eat ice cream from Sorry Not Sorry. Maybe that could be our treat tonight for filming.
I'm sorry, didn't we have a cookie?
We did have a cookie, but... All right, so down here you've got storage. Head out to the garage.
Yeah, fix that. I can't get it.
Ooh, that was...
Squeaky. I need a little WD-40 on that.
All right. So tankless water heater, water filtration system.
Yep, it's a garage.
It's a garage, some extra storage. Nice. Okay, and then you also have your half bath down here. Nice pedestal sink, upgraded toilet. Really nice carpet.
Yeah,
nice
new.
Condition. As always, please like and subscribe to our channel. LeeAnn and I are out here every week shooting content and do our best to bring it to you. So I like this floor plan.
Yeah.
With the loft.
And it is 1854 square foot, but you know what? It feels a lot bigger than that.
It does. And what's the price on this?
This is priced at $550.
So this could be a nice price point if you are a first-time home buyer. LeeAnn and I wrote a book for first-time home buyers called Roadmap to Your First Home, and we'll send it to you for free. If you just go to the website that's on screen now.
I love it. It has all of the blinds.
Plantation shutters throughout.
So nice.
Little walk-in closet here. Does the washer and dryer and fridge stay?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's, you know what? This is a really cool.
It's like a Lego. That's super cute.
You could buy this and it comes with a house. I like this little bench seat.
Yeah, super cute. Full bath.
Glass enclosure.
Double
nice.
sinks.
Tall vanity. Kind of like that. This is a really nice feeling floor plan. All right, so let's head into the primary. So I like, some really nice built-ins in this closet.
Oh, this is great space.
Yeah, look at these nice
Oh,
built-ins.
wow, that's super nice. Yeah.
This house has the feel that somebody really took good care of the home and had everything together to have the carpet this nice, plantation shutters, the whole 9 yards. All right, so separate tub and shower and a water closet. LeeAnn's favorite.
My favorite.
And as always, Jeff and LeeAnn Mix, Realty One Group, homesinspirada.com, where our website has every listing from every brokerage, so no need to search multiple sites. If you want to see this home or any other, please reach out to us. We are always available. We live here, and we would love to make you our neighbor.